is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we gotta fluff out some magnolia wreaths real quick. So we're gonna start with this magnolia base. So I'm gonna try to put together a magnolia wreath with a crawfish bow on it, just to see what it looks like. If it goes well, we'll do it a few times. All right, now we gotta finish fluffing it out, but look, all right, look. We started like this, and now we look like this. So it's already looking better. All right, y'all, let's make a crawfish bow. Three, we're gonna give it a good twist. We're gonna measure out about 7 inches. Then we're gonna cut about, not with those, about 8 inches. Yeah, my t-shirt is you. Actually, one of our friends, Charlotte, got me this as a gift. All right, let's get our 20-inch. We're gonna fold it in half. All right, we're gonna give it a good squeeze and twist it off. Y'all, look how pretty. Y'all, I want to get those long tails hanging down. All right, let's trim up our bow. All right, y'all, I think this is going to be perfect for a Louisiana gift.